Hi guys, Insect Batman here, and that's my sister just being a weirdo. And that's my cat right there, Matt. That's my TV. We're on Netflix. We're chilling. She's a cat apparently. Thumbs up for the video for Kenan being a cat. Boy. This is the hallway of doom. This is one of the rooms. It's dark as heck because they're using a cheap light. Then we go over here. This is my mom's room. Bathroom. This is the best room, my room. And the nice deluxe bed. Kit Kat, look at this poor thing. That's the GTA 5 map. That's the it's my ultimate 11-year-old gaming setup. Here's the mom. And now here's the bathroom. And it's my sister's room. There's my mom again. Here's Brian. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and peace.